Got him? Arms getting tired yet?
Oh yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 suitcases full of goodies. Yeah, plus we all have backpacks too.
No clothes in these luggages.
My backpack's so much heavier than it usually is too when I fly.
Mine too, dude.
It sucks.
We're barely on it.
Alright, awesome. So you're all good to go, boss? You're going out of gate B44. So it's gonna be down past the glass, take a left.
Bro.
Yes, yes.
They're all exactly 49. Dude, look at that. 50 on the dot. We're good. We're good. Do we need to talk about what just happened? Dude.
Oh hell, dude.
We barely got this flight.
Barely.
We're 20 minutes late. And we somehow made it on.
It's luck. Luck.
Oh my god. Why are we like this?
Because we sent you through the security
I know,
faster.
I went through the security
With no shoes.
No shoes. I just ran.
I told you to wait for your shoes and your stuff.
No, I was like,
I was
ow.
like, where the hell did you go?
I left.
Oh, dude.
I know you did.
My heart's pounding so
I don't think Brent's ever ran that hard in his life.
No, 2 bags. Had to take your bag too.
Did you, everything's good to go though?
Hopefully.
Is the Honda still in here?
Yes.
Sweet.
The head studs, I told you the head studs would get us checked and it did.
They got you checked?
Yeah, we had to stop. We had to sit there and wait.
He's like, what are these? Like specifically, he's like, what are these? And we're like, to hold the engine head down, and they were like, yeah, okay, just go. And then we're like, what the heck, dude? So we did. We're out of there. Like literally, they were holding us up. They're like, what are these?
You gotta pay for your damn bag.
I know, Brent had to pay for my bag because I didn't have it with me. So it was an extra carry-on pretty much.
Oh well.
How much was it?
I have no idea.
Okay.
He doesn't care.
But I think it's somewhere.
A few thousand. Covered it.
The lady said there was no time, but there was time to charge him on his car.
Damn,
Oh
this-
yeah.
At least we got TVs on this one.
I'm like, can I have my card back? Like she said, just get on the plane.
She was a
Dude,
And I was
she
like,
was,
can I have my card back?
dude, she was a dick.
Oh yeah. Check out the wing. Here, buddy. Damn it, Bobby. Dinner of champions.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that shows where we are.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Oh man, that's time.
Yeah, that's cool.
We made it, cuz. We made it.
The good thing about making
Barely.
it, we didn't have to drive 27
Barely.
hours.
told you not to worry.
Yeah, we didn't have to drive this time.
Oh. Not to worry.
We almost got it.
We barely made it. Well, me and Kyle were gonna make it. You guys barely made it.
Barely.
Yo, I definitely needed a GoPro for that.
I know, dude.
I ran through the whole airport in my
No
socks.
shoes, dude.
In my
I don't know
socks.
anybody that would do that.
I sent it, dude.
Did it for the boys. You really did it for the boys there.
Yeah, you did it for the boys, for sure. That sucked.
That sucked. No, Brent. Oh,
Yeah, that was stressful. We made it.
Brent was out of breath.
I was dead. Carrying your bag and my bag full of crap. Car parts, computers.
I know when I got to her and I didn't have my phone and I was like, I was gonna call one of you, be like,
Yeah.
you need to be here now.
Yeah, you didn't have your phone because Emilio had it. Emilio was talking to us. I'm like,
Yeah, 'cause
dude,
I didn't have
was like,
anything,
dude,
'cause I
you
left it
gotta
in
go.
security.
Jeremy's bag is being held, so we're stuck. Like, you gotta go.
I know,
And Emilio was like,
and she asked me, she's like, well, we only have a minute left, you gonna go or not? And I was like, well, guess not. I don't even have my shoes.
you just showed up in Florida with no shoes.
Ooh. Oh, that was
This guy
a
kinda
rough
sucked,
one.
right? Jeez.
They should have got in there and tuned it.
God,
I was gonna.
Pull the Honda out.
Yeah. Probably put me on some little fly list.
and your bag isn't light either.
No, it's heavy.
It's heavy. They're both heavy.
All our bags are heavy right now.
I still beat Jeremy there.
I wasn't following him.
Look at
I was
me,
making
even-
sure he
even
didn't
took
pass
the
out on the
fast
ground.
escalator run
He has
thing.
an army bag and he can't
I
even
couldn't
run.
take the escalator run thing because people were blocking the entrance. So I was like,
No,
I
you
got
should
time for
have.
that.
No, you should have seen it. I There's a dude standing there with his suitcase like next to him like this, taking up the whole thing. While I was moving, I just jumped right over the suitcase, just kept going.
I just can't believe you did all that with no shoes. Who
Slip.
runs through an airport with no shoes?
The lady said we already didn't make it. She said she's like there's no way.
She's like, please go down the escalators, make a right, and go to the customer service desk. I was like, hell, no, you better let me in.
Yo, they made it.
We just need to first. There's one.
That's one. The other one's right over here. Come on, we just need one more.
We just need one more, please.
One more.
Door number 3.
That one's really important, though.
We got everything.
Yes.
Dude, I was really worried for a second. Does
Sure,
it?
it was something nice though. Alrighty
They
then.
all made it,
Dude.
dude. They all
Yo,
made it.
open her up real quick. Just open her up. We just gotta make sure she's all in there.
Man, she's tinking.
Ooh.
She made it, dude.
Made
She
it,
made
bro.
Ow, man.
Hey! What's up?
What's going on?
Good to see you.
What's up, brother?
You about head too?
Buy everything.
That one's got the turbo, I think. Where's this one?
Bro, they all cleared, too. These were the last two. We're like, oh, they didn't
No,
make
and
Bring a head. You guys bring any internals or anything?
rods, pistons.
I'm gonna try to run 10s.
What?
Are you kidding me?
It's a 10-second package right
So we
here.
gotta get this thing built tomorrow. Like,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Are we gonna dyno it and everything?
Yeah.
Dude, this place is sick.
What's up?
Oh yeah, that.
And the up pipe.
Damn, you guys are really secured.
Oh, did the school make it?
Yeah, the school made it.
Oh,
Is that a bottle opener?
Yeah.
Oh,
You noticed. You noticed. You caught some flavor. Quick.
hell yeah.
Got the gate already bolted on.
Which one is this?
This weekend is gonna be insane, man.
Dude, it's
I
gonna
can't
be
wait for
so
Saturday.
fun. That one's the head.
We're gonna do more in like 2 days than we did on the V in
Months.
There's the head.
I'm surprised that made it
yeah.
through
We
security.
got springs retainers
I
in
can't believe
it.
this all made it through security, you guys.
Oh, here's the
Rods,
rods.
pistons.
there's the intake manifold.
We got intake manifold with.
Pre-gapped them all in another block. You want the
And I'm throwing the Leroy right there.
Nice.
Look at that shirt.
I got the hat on my backpack too.
Oh my gosh.
There's the twin
clutch,
disc.
The intercooler.
The intercooler barely fit, dude. It's like, it's not having
So you
it.
guys packed all of your clothes into your like carry-on?
Yeah.
And then you
We have parts in our bags too.
Yeah, you can show them. Oh yeah, I got the ECUs in mine. I got the Honda.
going down.
We're ready to go. Brent has his laptop.
It's like Christmas around.
Oh my god. Damn.
And you have how long to do this?
Tomorrow. Well, tomorrow and Friday technically, but we're gonna try to knock it out tomorrow.
We got this.
We good.
So over here, you'll see the freedom part of our shop. This part, you know, this whole north end of the shop's just dedicated to America. So anything over here has to have bald eagles in it. Over there. See, we have the Coyote engine over there. We keep it all away from the good, positive American vibes over here. Jeremy and I moving in. Happy as could be, right? Look at those floors. They weren't bad, right? We decided to epoxy them, you know. This is us after first attempt right here. That's a lot of money and materials right there. Scraped off the floors. Look at the look of bearded disappointment on the guy who just wants to make some power.
Don't name him. Then we can.
This is wicked. We get this thing.
Yeah, this is ours for the night to drive around.
For real.
Yeah.
We just gotta
Left me out.
No, you want
There's only 4 seats, bro.
No, it's all good. I want you to be safe. Bro, 4 cookies?
These actually,
That's
dude,
so
there's
sick.
legit.
Get things fired up for you. Some wide donuts going.
They're sick.
Yes, you will. Dude, $1,500.
Dude, they're sick.
Plus some seats.
I'm actually down to get one.
You gotta get a Crown Vic.
That's next on the list, bro.
I mean, dude, you just fucking. This plastic bottle, look at that flex.
Everywhere.
So we're gonna test it. We just tested it with a light hit.
I think it's good for like some subs and shit.
Oh god. Send it. Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit.
It's fine.
Dude, it's
More cars not built like this.
What a purchase.
All right, guys. So after barely making our flight, we made it to Florida. We're at Cletus's shop. We got our bags unpacked, and guess the secret's out. We brought a full build with us. We got the turbo, we got the manifold, we got the head, cams. This is a GSR head, right?
B16.
Oh, B16? Oh yeah, this is Jeremy's old head. No, we just need a VTEC head. We got a twin disc clutch. We got some intercooler piping that we fabbed up. We got the Honda. Brent bought his laptop. Got the oil pan, intercooler. We got head gaskets. Got the intake with 2200cc injectors. Got boost solenoids. Like, we got everything. So we're ready to go. So the plan is to go pick up the car tomorrow, which you guys have not yet seen. And we're gonna try to fully build it in a day. See how she does. We have access to a dyno right over there. And yeah, we've already had a lot of fun so far. Cletus took us for a rip in the Crown Vic. We watched cars already running into each other. It's gonna be a great weekend. It's gonna be so fun. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, almost took out the pigeon.